Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. In this video, I'll show you key stages of texturing this stylized wrenchbot in Substance Painter. First things first, I've set my texture padding to 16, subsampling to 4x4, and also got a maximum amount of rays on all tabs. The video is sped up and many boring parts are cut out, so I've made a simple picture that summarizes most basic materials and filters that were used for this project. Main material is split into several layers that have paint old and dirty leaks filters. You can also play with their opacity, roughness, balance and color. I put these materials into a single folder, apply a black mask to it, and then fill all required polygons and UV chucks. Main color changes during the video as I have kept trying different options. I've also added a single layer of dirt, which is barely visible, but still messes with roughness. I use steel painted worn material for different parts and decorative elements. Remember not to go overly realistic when it comes to painting a stylized model. For robot's eyes, I apply a slightly modified default dusty plastic material. I highlight robot's knees slightly by using different versions of rubber dry material and some basic grunges. For inches, I use several versions of steel painted worn material. Make sure to highlight key elements of your model. Dim and dark colors are easier to balance, while wrong choice of a bright color may ruin the look of your model. I do some final color adjustments, apply a ground dirt layer, and mask all seams with stamp tool and a paint layer that has its blending options set to pass through. In order to create a weathered text, I use a combination of default Substance Painter font and Paint Old preset filter. Here is another table of tools used to decorate some parts of the model. When working with stamp tool, you can use multiple layers that have different opacities and different brush flows. Sometimes it's much easier to paint on a UV map than on the model itself. Thanks for watching guys. If you got any value from this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more stylized content. And most importantly, have a great day!